Hello fellow traders, welcome to your favorite channel, Top Master Trader, where your journey to market mastery begins. Today, a fabulous topic, the trend lines, the break out of the trend line, which is happening right now on WTI, on the oil charts. Guys, make sure you stick to the end of the video as I will pick the winner from the comments from underneath the last video, and the winner is sponsored with $5,000 challenge account sponsored by Find Your FX, the award-winning company on the market since 2021. And for all of you who don't want to wait to win, just grab a bargain. I will leave the link in the description and get the challenge, use the knowledge I'm teaching you here, and you're good to go. Now back to the video. And I want to share it with you because that will be a ton of educational video, especially if it will work out. If it will not, that's an education as well, because if it doesn't work and we enter this trade, we need to know where to place our stop losses. We need to manage our trades. So this is something that you will be able to observe in a real time, and that's a ton of value because it's easy to rewind the chart and go through the history through the hours or days in 5 seconds, but to sit through all this time, that's challenging. So this is psychological aspect. That's why it's always good and advisable to paper trade on your demo account, and that's what you can do with the current situation on oil. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't advise you to enter this trade, just observe it. First of all, we are on the weekly charts. We will be trading on 15-minute chart, but this is weekly chart just to mark some levels. On the left-hand side, let's choose the Hosoda wave projection. This is X-Station platform. If you want to have these tools, please open an account, use the link in the description. And if you do so, if you decide to have a live account with X-Station using my link, I will give you an access to otherwise paid course that you can enjoy on my website. Okay, Hosoda wave projection, we hold the shift, mark the top, our impulse correction, and what do we get? We get a beautiful target E and target V, as well previously target N. But for now we are, let me actually move it a little bit so I'm not covering it, and we can see that what happened was the market reacted twice. Okay, I'll just move it for now. So there was a beautiful fall, and there was a, if we go to maybe daily, that would be better for now after we marked it. You can see that on daily we have a beautiful reaction on target V, then another beautiful reaction on target V, and then the market of course went through this target, like through the butter, because we've got the target target E that had to be touched as well. So here it is, target E done. So now we know that we are at the very important level. That's our first information. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, and we can see that on 15 minutes, that was the situation. So there was an accumulation here, a massive spike, and now what do we have? We have a couple of things. Historical trend lines that we can draw. So let's draw a historical trend line to start with. That was this one, and we can see that we know already that there is a reaction. The market is correcting after a nice impulse, and now we have a breakout. So we could open a very nice trade at this point and trade it firstly there's a couple of dollars here after a little bit of accumulation. We got quite a significant move to $65. So from our entry point 63.5 to 65. Nice stable move with a beautiful uptrend. But what could happen now? Let's have a look at the current situation. And the current situation is, if we mark it well, we've got a couple of options of marking it. So first of all, let's mark our first two touches. And we can see that the market right now is exactly touching this support. It's touching this support. It makes a small bounces. And if you remember from my previous video when we were analyzing Bitcoin, there was a similar situation, and then we got a massive fall. So if we are patient and observant here, we can experience the same movement down. But if we draw another line connecting these 2 points, we can see as well that the market was previously reacting to that level beautifully. So now it sort of already broke through this level and retested. But we could draw another level as well. It's a little bit of a laser show here, but better have it than not. And what we can see, that connecting these points as well makes a lot of sense at this point, because we got like a fake breakout, a beautiful long wick. Then that's the morning star basically. And this line is sort of respected and disrespected, but disrespected in a way that is manipulating the sellers. So the sellers think that this is it. There is already a breakout, but this is not. We are still going up. So we have like a fake outs, which we might respect the moment this price would want to come back all the way here. So if the price will come back all the way there, that might be our signal to open a position or to observe if the market is reacting at this level, and we might get even better price for the market to fall. Now, another thing that we can observe on this beautiful chart is, who can see that? This is very classic. I made a video about that already. I mean, not about this current situation, but in general about this formation. It's very popular formation, and it's called head and shoulders. Exactly. So we have a head and shoulders. Let's mark it. If we take our text, this is that's the right shoulder, RS. So let's actually move this right shoulder in here, and then we copy to mark it as a left shoulder, and we will mark this top as a head. So this is our head. Beautiful. So not only we have a channel, actually we have a channel as well, if we look at it. So we can mark it as well. We're talking about the trend lines, but channels are very much interconnected, with the trend lines. So that's our channel, and then we can move it all the way here, and then we can see that we have a beautiful channel. We're going up, we're going down, making higher highs and higher lows. But the important information here are these trend lines. So we need to observe it, and then of course where to take our profits. There is a couple of ways. Again, we can measure with Hosoda wave projection. So we can mark this head, then this impulse and the correction, and we will get certain points to observe. As well, we can use our Fibonacci level. So if we go to retracement and we mark this whole movement, I think it's marked in white. If we mark this whole movement, and then we can do as a show ray. So the ray will give us access to extended Fibonacci. And we can see that there are some clusters. So there is a cluster of target EN 50%, which was previously a support. And as well, we have a 78.6 and the V3. Nevertheless, we might come back to this level, to our original E. So that was our original target E. That's how we started this video, with this target. And this target might be revisited. And why not by breaking this trend line? So observe it. That might be very educational for you. If you are at the beginning of your trading journey, or if you are already an advanced trader, you can use your strategy as well to position yourself for this potential fall. So I hope you loved this video, and if you did, remember to leave the thumb up, leave the comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Now we will choose a lucky winner with this YouTube random comment picker. Someone who placed the comment is a subscriber to the channel and like the previous video will get $5,000 challenge account sponsored by Find Your FX. So let's pick a winner. Beautiful. And the comment is hi. Simple as that. ACA5712. Let's check if you are a subscriber. Unfortunately, ACA57 is not a public subscriber. I need to see this little icon next to you, so please make sure that you and Jakub, three guys, unfortunately, they are not publicly subscribed to the channel. Make sure you are, so then you can win. Otherwise, it goes to waste. Let me choose another comment then. Once again, beautiful. Ganaselan Thomas J. Hi Rafał, I would like to be part of your community. Welcome, you are part of my community. I hope you are getting the most out of these videos. And I hope you won, that you are a subscriber. Let's have a look. Beautiful. 1 day ago, that's the sign we are looking for. You are a subscriber. Congratulations, you won. So use the knowledge from this video and from the other videos that I posted. Grab my course if you want to elevate your knowledge, and send me an email to info@topmastertrader.com, and we will take it from there to give you your prize. Guys, thank you for today. Make sure you watch the videos that YouTube suggests on the site. They are loaded with content to educate you and to elevate your knowledge. And until the next time, take care. Bye.